So in such a way, you can download. So due to time constraint, because we have lots of the resources, so I am coming back the so another services. This is the very important popular interlibrary. So my humble request to you, please use and familiar and our this such kind of products and services and subscribe products also with this our user friendly library website. Otherwise it is not possible. You have to use by own, you have to practice by own. So another important service, the plagiarism checker software, that is the Urkund. So now there is a big issue on this plagiarism, such kind of software. As you know, in market there are many more such kind of one authenticate, and there are so many. But we are now using the Urkund because this Urkund software providing us from the InflipNet, from the it was approved by the MHRD, it was approved by the UGC. So all the other central university are now using the Urkund. So we need another special session for Urkund. So I am not going through in details. Our university level, Dr. Nimai Chansada is the nodal officer from the university side from Urkund, and just I am pointing out a few important points, because there are two types of the user ID, because you have to enter first through this Urkund by using the user ID and password, and your Vishwabharati email ID basically is your user ID. And Nimaida, hopefully all the faculty members and the other administrative staff having their all user ID and password and analysis account. After entering the user ID and password, you have to select another important analysis account. Only faculty members and us and the administrative staff are entitled for the faculty members. The scholars are not entitled for the faculty members. Scholars are using the student user ID and password by entering for Urkund, but use your faculty members analysis account. So this, and though faculty member having no user ID and password along with the analysis account, please send a mail to the Nimaida. This is the email ID for user ID and password. So there is a ready-made tutorial also from the Urkund side. So those are the faculty member, those who are not yet use the Urkund. So please use this tutorial. And as you know, in university we have a ethics committee also. So the ethics committee already declare the write-up soon, hopefully. And Imaida at last concluding remarks, he will say something on this particular ethics. So I am not going in details. So this and the analysis account that looks like in such a way. That is your first name, then the dot vvuni at the rate of analysis.urkund.com. And I have already mentioned before during the our university library website that all the library professional having their analysis account in our library website. Any scholar use our analysis account. Okay, so this is the Urkund, is the another important service, and it need one special session. So how to use, how to handle and research ethics, and Nihad is the master of the such kind of research ethics and etc. So this is the important another service, and Grammarly. So as you know, we have already sent the mail to you, to all the faculty member, to the scholar, to the all administrative staff regarding the Grammarly. As you know, from 1st April, that is the new financial year, with the financial support and the other support from the administration. So we are purchased, and it was the huge demand of the Grammarly. So Grammarly is very necessity for the scholar. So, and this is the important announcement part. Recent we have already sent. Hope you are all received our Grammarly related notification along with the write-up details. That is the how to handle, how to use, how to create our user ID and password by own stepwise. And this also step is available here also in announce part also. I'll show you. So this is the faculty members, officer, staff, scholar activating Grammarly actions. So all are here ready-made. If you forgotten their mail, so these steps register for the other than Vishwabharati domain. Those who are having the Vishwabharati domain, this is the one type. So all are available in the library website. Please follow our library website, familiar with the library website, and you can access our all resources easily. So Grammarly checker is very important. So I am not going through in details, and few couple of months before we have already organized one special session on Grammarly also. As you know, we have a different kinds of online database and such kind of online product. And in general, throughout the year, we are used to organize such kind of special session to increase our usage statistics and familiar for our clients. So Grammarly, and these are the few reference. I am not going through in details. It is the reprographic service, not going through details. EndNote, scholarship and fellowship, it is important for you also. There is a segment of scholarship and fellowship. So all the latest scholarship throughout the globe, not only UGC. And as you know, UGC providing all kinds of scholarship and fellowship on their platform. But we are also using, and our another assistant librarian, Dr. Shahvad Naushin, in charge of Rabindra Bhavan Library. Basically, the scholarship and fellowship are maintained by her. So you may click according to your choice, and all the archives is also available. And it is apart from this, please, my humble request to you, the scholar, please follow the UGC scholarship portal also, because it is also available here, and there is also another portal of the UGC for the scholarship and fellowship part. So these are the very important and few services which we are providing to our client, and all are available in our very user-friendly library website, which the library website. Okay. So now I come to my next point, resources. So time is almost okay. So resources, as you know, there are so many resources of our we are providing from our side, and few of the resources are the print version, and rest of the resources are the e-version. So there are pre-version. Basically the print version of the books and the print version of the journals and the bound journals are in the print books, a print version, and e-version is basically the e-journal, online databases, e-books are basically the e-resources. Now, from 1st April, all the e-resources along with the print version of the bibliographic details is available from anywhere, from any network, from any platform, through this LS Discovery service. So LS Discovery service is a platform, is also the at a glance discovery service, and another platform is the remote access. So you may use the LS Discovery. I will come at last, because in our first day of this 3D session, in details we have discussed in details in the LS Discovery, but I am come later. So resources, the book resources. These are the print book. So these are the print books, and near about 8.25 lakhs of the print books, including the central library, in sectional library, and the 37 library also, including all. These are the print book, and all the print book you can search through either OPAC or from the LS Discovery. LS Discovery searching facilities is one kind of your OPAC. No need to search separately through OPAC. I will show you later. So resources and the ebook. And all the ebooks is available in our LS Discovery platform. I will show you how to extract the ebooks from the LS Discovery. These are the just bibliographic details and the just write up on the ebooks. So last couple of few years, due to pandemic situation, with the help of the cooperation of our administration, basically our respected Vice Chancellor sir, so they provided us more than fund. So we have purchased successfully few e-resources and online databases due to this pandemic situation. So these are the basically the books, two categories, that is the print book as well as the e-books. So journal, so this is also the two categories, basically the print journal, this is the online journal. So every year we purchase the print journal, and print journal, this is the latest 2001, this is the list of the print journal. And this list very user-friendly list, because this is the basically print journal. So the list is arranged basically the subject wise, and under subject all the list is arranged alphabetically, and this is the publisher, and this is the mode, this is the print mode, and then the location of the library, which library of the library in this particular journal is available. That is the PSB denotes for the agricultural library, and these are the few other important journal. In such a way, every year we can purchase the print journals of Indian and foreign also. And this is your more information that few of the big, great and famous publisher like Sage and few other important publisher, if we purchase the print journals from them, they are providing us the complementary e-journals like Sage. At present, we are this year subscribed more than 22 print journal, and they are providing the complementary e-journal also with free of cost. And not only the current title, their archives also. I am given the example. This is the journal from the Sage, Indian Economic and Social History Review. This is the under the category of the economics and politics, and this is the URL, and this is the Sage URL. If you click directly to the this link, and it will be converted this particular article. Just I am click into their site, and it is opening. Okay, and they welcome us Vishwabharati. If you watch this particular word Vishwabharati, and it is that I am entering rightly, and this is the current issue, and this is the all issues, that is the archives. And in case of Sage, they are providing us the archives not only 2 year or 3 year back, they are providing us the archives 1999 to till today. So there is a huge backup. So this is the unique feature of the few big publisher. So these are the print journal category. So I will show you, and these are the location field, and at last this is the abbreviation also. Basically, I will show you the few journal which is distributed to the basically few sectional library, the agriculture library. The agriculture related journal is occupied in the agriculture library. Science library, science journal is occupied in the central library. And fine and arts, basically the fine arts, Kalabhavana library journals, we are sending the print journal to them. Education related journal, we are arranged to send to the Vinay Bhavana library. And in such, this is the, and rest of the journals are distributed in our journal section, and along with our archives, along with the bound journals also. All the bibliographic details you can search through our LS Discovery platform and collect the bibliographic details so that you can search or locate our resources. And this is the print journal basically, and this is the abbreviation of the locator, and this is the magazine, list of magazine. And as you know, more than 48, near about 50 magazines are also available at Central Library, and like the subject wise, also competitive exam related, computer related, current science awareness, current science related, and few literature, tourism, sports, health related also magazines. And apart from the journal, apart from the magazine, these are, I have already mentioned 22 daily newspaper in different languages like Bengali, English, Hindi, and few career related newspaper is also available. So these are the few important resources. I will show you the next. There are opening so many. Okay. So this is the resources and e-journal. So as you know, all the e-journal is here. I will show you later in the LS Discovery, and Ramprasad already just on the first day, he have already given the information how to extract the new. I will show you later. So all the journal is here available through subject wise, publisher wise, and title wise. So you may click according to your choice. And this is for your kind information. We purchase a little bit near about 132 e-journals by own, and more than 7,000 e-journals is available. E-journals along with the few online databases available from the ESS platform. If time permit, I will show you later. So this is the journal. This is the subject wise. You can click according to your choice. The journals, basically this is the print e-journal. Publisher wise, you can select, you can click according to your choice, and the journal title wise also, and the title wise all the journals is available according to the URL, publisher, and subject wise. So I will show you through the LS Discovery later. So journal, so this is another information of the print journal. So this is the current title, and back file is also available here. Back file of the list of the journals is available here. I am clicking here the back file. So all the resources is available from our library website. So journal, so thesis, very important for the research scholar. There are two categories of the thesis. We are providing the online services also through our LS Discovery along with the OPAC, and another very good platform is the Shodhganga. So all the theses awarded from the Vishwabharati University, and as you know, on 2009 regulation onwards, you have to submit both the hard copy and soft copy. The soft copy journal from the awarded from the Vishwabharati is available in our system as well as our Shodhganga. But other than the soft copy, all the bibliographic details of the awarded thesis from the Vishwabharati is available also in our OPAC. You can collect the bibliographic details, and hard copy of the thesis is arranged very user friendly in our journal section at Compactor, and it is very unique feature of our system. So I will show you the Shodhganga platform, just clicking 1 or 2 minutes. This is the biggest repository of the thesis. It was maintained by the InfibNet Information Library InfibNet Center at Gujarat. So it is opening. So this is the directly Vishwabharati page from Shodhganga. So you can click soft copy of the awarded Vishwabharati thesis from 2009 onwards. It is available keyword wise, subject wise, department wise, and year wise, language wise also. So just if you so I have opening so many. Shodhganga. So this is the contribution of Vishwabharati at Shodhganga. So if you click the homepage of the Shodhganga, I have already mentioned the biggest repository of the Shodhganga. So this is the parameter. You can search according to your choice. If you this is the advanced search, this is the subject search, and this is the university wise search. So at present, the maximum contribution at Shodhganga is the University of Calcutta, because they have converted their all thesis before 2009 regulation in digitized mode. Hopefully, with the able leadership of our University 11 at the Nimai Chand Sadha, we will convert it our back file of the thesis, that is the before 2009 regulation, which is available hard mode in our library. We will convert it in soft copy and upload it in soon. So this is the contribution, and if we click the all universities, these are the Vishwabharati. You can click the Vishwabharati. Vishwabharati stands bottom due to the alphabetical. This is the Vishwabharati. At present, the contribution are 988 soft copy. If we click the Vishwabharati, which is available in the same platform in which is linked to the thesis. So I am not going through in details. This is the Shodhganga. We need a special session in particular one segment. So due to the time constraint, I will just show you one by one, not in details, just in given information. This is the thesis and dissertation. So at present, at the Kala Bhavana, with the able leadership of Dr. Tapas Kumar Das, in charge, Deputy Librarian in charge Kala Bhavana Library, he can already upload it, and the bibliographic details is available here. All the master degree dissertation here. So the student or the scholar or the faculty member, those who are belongs to the fine arts, you can watch the dissertation which had already published from the Kala Bhavana. So very unique work of Kala Bhavana. Hats off to the Tapas Da. So this is the dissertation part. So another resource, online database, very important, very important. So I am show you three important. So these are the online databases which few of the we purchase by directly renewal wise and perpetual mode also, and few we are subscribing with the help of the InflipNet, like China and Modern World Hong Kong. So, and so this is the China and Modern World Hong Kong is the one-time perpetual mode online database, and very unique feature. If we click this particular these online databases, it is the Gale product. Okay, and as you know, last couple of 8 years back, we are introduced with the able leadership of our former University Librarian Dr. V.K. Thomas e-newsletter, and it will still continue, even not dropping any issue during this pandemic with the now able leadership of the Dr. Nimai Chand Saha. And every month we are distributed it to our community, to our faculty, to our scholar, to our administrative staff, along with uploading it in our library website. And each of the library e-newsletter having a special issue on particular product and how to use, how to register, etc. Like this product. And if we just if we go back to the last May newsletter, so it is also available here. I will show you because it is related to this particular publication. If we click the newsletter, this particular product, Gale product, is also available in our reflection in our library library newsletter. This is the latest newsletter. If we click this one, this is the, it is not available here. Okay, I will show you. So I will show you. journal. This is the work from on file. This is the newsletter. This is the May. Last published newsletter on May 2021. And the theme it is opening. The theme is China and modern world, Hong Kong, Britain, and China. So the theme of this particular e-newsletter was this online product. So how to use, and this is the details write-up of this product. And this is the announcement part. So last month we have announced it. The 3 facial session will be organized by the Vishwabharati Library. This is the facial session. So this is the reflection of the newsletter. Hope you are all received our newsletter through mail, and those are not having received, those are not yet received the newsletter, please give their official Vishwabharati mail ID to us, faculty wise or scholar wise, so that we will incorporate our mail ID into our data box. So this is the newsletter. So the next. So this is the newsletter. This is the online database. Okay. So online database. So this is the few important. This is the China and modern world, Hong Kong. Those faculty members and scholars, those who are belong from the history, Japanese history and the modern history, and few with Bhasha Vidya Bhavan department also. It is very important for them. And this is the. It was purchased in 2019-20 financial year in perpetual mint. That is the one-time purchase. IndiaStat, very, very important online databases. Those who are belong basically from the economics, from the agriculture, education, it is very important for them. IndiaStat, and all the product are IP-enabled. All the product, and then the new version of the IndiaStat. And this year, this is for your kind of information that at a time we purchased this software. It was purchased from last 15 years and renewed every year. And this year, with the cooperation of the please, please.
Tamagno Jana, please mute yourself. Tamagno Jana.
So this is the IndiaStat, and then from 1st April, we have purchased it with the 5 client facilities. Before we have the only 2 client facilities. So this is the logging facilities. Please watch how to extract the IndiaStat. First, you have to click open the IndiaStat. This is the homepage of the IndiaStat, and logging. Please click the logging. Need not require any user ID and password. You have to click the through IP logging. Please click IP logging. Automatically, if you are using our MHRD, our network, or from the LS Discovery, automatically you are using. This is the log out. Then it was not before showing. So now it is log out. So this is the unique feature of the IndiaStat. The IndiaStat is related to the administrative units. This is the economy, forest, wildlife, agriculture, cooperatives. This is the books and financial institutions, civil supplier, demography, crime and law, environment, foreign trade, education, geographical data, hagiography, health, housing. There are many more. And usage statistics of the IndiaStat is increasing day to day. So this is our fortunate. We are fortunate enough that all the e-resources during this pandemic situation, the usage is increasing day to day. This is the healthy sign for us also. And now I will show you, this is the current population, and it will increasing second by second. So this is the at present population of the India, and it will be increasing simultaneously second by second. Hope you are already showing. And this is the at a time the population of the globe. So, and they are updating their information in 24/7. So I am not going through in details because we need a separate session for this individual particular product. So I will show you another important JGet Plus, I will show you during the time of the interlibrary loan facilities. I will show you the just JSTOR. Very unique online product. It all accessible from our ESS, and those who are basically belong from the humanities and social science, very important for them. And it is very healthy sign for us that the increased statistics and very enriching for us in this particular product. So how, and this is the approved by the Vishwabharati University. If you watch that this product, this particular any product, whatever it is journal, whatever it the ebook, whatever it may be the online databases, if you watch that the your access provided by the Vishwabharati, and you, this is the right way to enter. So if we click, this is the window for search. If we click the Tagore, so the just Tagore, the hints is 13,459. So there is, I have already mentioned before, the each of the product having their filtering facilities. You may narrow down according to your need. So you can narrow down this particular Tagore related article. So according to your choice, that you can click the journal or book chapter or research report. You can click according to your sources of the information, that is the serial, document, image, book. You can narrow down your publication year, and you can such a way. So you can narrow down subject wise. So you can narrow down in such a way. So lastly, you can collect your particular target article in such a way. So due to the time constant, I will show you just one article how to download from the JSTOR. So this is the Rabindranath Tagore and China. So this is the one article which is the, you can save, you can cite, you can download. So if you click the download, so there is will be a terms and condition page will be appear. You have to accept this particular terms and condition, because each of the product, each of the e-product, we have a licensing agreement among the publisher and the Vishwabharati authority. So that's why licensing violation is very important for us. That's why you have to, and we have a monitoring system too, because during the time of the LS discovery, when you enter by putting your library card number and VBU 123, and you have to select one terms and condition button also, and the violation, because you given your library card number to your friend, which is pass out from or pass out or on any publisher. So if we watch your terms and condition is not like the as a academic fellow, so then there is a monitoring system also. So first you have to accept the terms and condition of the JSTOR, then click the target article is opening, and it is also downloadable. You can save it and collect this particular article from your pen drive, from your external any hard disks, etc. This is the JSTOR. Hope you are all familiar with this particular online databases. So now I'm not going through the details. These are the MathSciNet. Those who are basically belongs from the mathematical science. It is very important online databases, and it is also provided by the ESS platform. So these are the very important secret files also. It is also perpetual mode online database, and it was purchased from the Taylor and Francis in perpetual mode. Those who are basically belongs from the history, Japan, social science and humanities, it is also applicable for them. I am not going through in details due to the time constant. Now already 12 is over. So because we have few another important resources also. So these are the online databases and institutional repository. So last, during the time of the in pandemic, last couple of 1 month before, with the able leadership of our University Librarian Dr. Nimai Chand Saha, along with the information scientist of Ramprasad Majumdar, we are able to create another few important institutional repository, apart from the university question paper, apart from the university syllabus, faculty publication, we are also uploading it here to our newsletter, to our annual report, Vishwabharati annual report, along with our VVLN annual report also.
Just click, Kaushik, click in the digital library, top yellow color in the top corner.
There is a link also, Nimaida.
Oh, okay.
So if we click this, and there is a direct link with the digital library also. Digital library.
Yes, this is the
hopefully.
digital.
And it will open the digital library also. It is opening. Otherwise, you can click directly to the digital library also.
Yes. That's
because
good.
Today I have.
It is 1.172. So good.
It is opening.
Kaushik, you click on the digital library in top level.
Okay.
This is
okay. All this such kind of institutional repository is available in the digital library. So these are the digital library repository. So you can click according to your choice, and this particular digital library reservoir.
Click on Vishwabharati digital library. It's commented. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So these particular resources just enriched during 1 month back, because most of the all the library professional, they are uploading this such kind of digital library product from their home with the able leadership of Ram Prasad Majumdar. So if we click the Vishwabharati Library Network, this is the question paper, this is the syllabus, this is the old one, Ram Prasad.
You are click on it. This is the old one.
That's why few of the information is not updated. So actually I click from directly from the library. Okay, I will show you from this one.
Yes, this is the Vishwabharati digital library.
Okay. If we click the Vishwabharati digital library, this is the updated, na?
Yeah.
Yes, this is the updated. Okay. So I have already mentioned this is the collection in this community faculty publication project. I have missing the technical report also. This is the project and technical report, question paper, syllabus, Vishwabharati annual report, Vishwabharati e-newsletter, and Vishwabharati VVLN annual report. If we click the publication, so you can search the publication according to the issue of the date, author, title, subject wise. If we click the author wise, then this is the reservoir of the author wise. So first Achirangshu, Acharya, Alay Kumar, these are the few author, and it is uploading day to day. We are going uploading day to day.
Click on next page. There is a popular.
This is the next page. Arindam Chakraborty, Tanmay Chatterjee, Shomodip Chattopadhyay. These are the very faculty members publication here. So next page. So already 170 publication uploaded, na? Yes. In particular, a couple of few days before. So in such a way, so this is our enriched digital repository. So resources, institutional repository. So magazine, I already mentioned during the time of the print journal. So newspaper, open resources. I will show you the few important open resources. So hope you are all remember during the first lockdown period, throughout the notification through mail, we have already circulated more than important free online open access resources. So these are the open access e-resources, open access e-journal. So these are the few important open access ebook portal, open access directories, open access digital repository, institutional IRS, and please click according to your choice. So these are the very important open access resources, and 3 important dictionary we have already published here and directly linked. These are 3 also. This is the Cambridge Dictionary Online, Webster Online Dictionary, and another dictionary also. You may click according to your need. So these are the very important resources also. So I am calm. Next. So LS Discovery, how to extract the e-resources and e-journal and online databases from LS Discovery also. আচ্ছা নিমাইদা আর কিছু বাকি থাকলো এমনি আমাদের সার্ভিস রিসোর্সে এলএস ডিসকভারিতে যাবার আগে
বলে দাও অ্যানাউন্সমেন্ট
announcement. Okay, I have already show you announcement one, Grammarly notification. Each of the notice or circular is available here. So if we click the announcement part, just okay. If we click the announcement part, so the notification of the special session, the Grammarly. So you have already forgotten your mail. You have already missing your mail. So how to handle the Grammarly? So, but the notification along with the archives is also available here. So how to enrich the Vigyan, how to register the Vigyan, how to convert it your publication through ERINS. So these are the all such kind of notification is available here in our announcement part. So this is the very important announcement part. So this I will show you few important links, one or two. So digital library also here, and I will show you the just complete work. A complete work of the personalities, basically the Tagore and Gandhi. So all the Tagore work is available here in online version. So very user-friendly software, and it is now attached with our library website. You can extract your need according to your choice, song-wise, novel, stories, plays, and verb-wise. And all the total Tagore work is available here. Okay. So another important personalities, Gandhi work is also available here. So you may enter by clicking the enter button, and all the total work along with the biography.
Also in translation, Kaushika?
Yes, of course.
Tagore's work in English, Tagore's works in other languages, it is available here.
Hopefully. English is available, Bengali is available. Okay. But most of the softwares are now, there is the facilities for translation also. Okay. So these are the basically few important services and facilities. Now I go the LS Discovery, how to enter. It is the already covered the first session, but few important segment I will show you. So LS Discovery. So you click the LS Discovery. Just the before the session, Dr. Topu Biswas, Topuda sent me that his library card and the VVU 123 password is not working. So just I will show you, and it is not working, not Topuda?
Now.
It's now working.
Like
so
magic.
This is the homepage of the LS Discovery. Just this is the login button, the sign in. You have to click the sign in button, and your valid library card number is your user ID. My library card number is 1/1113117, and by default your password is VVU123, and you have to select one terms and condition. So I have already mentioned, you have to, this is the very important part, to select the terms and condition, because we have our own terms and condition, and we have our own monitoring system too. So that's why you have to clicking. Without clicking, it is not possible to open. So then you have to click, and this LS Discovery, this unique feature by the Lipsys Corporation of India, it is now available 24/7 in any network, in any platform, in anywhere in the globe, from your drawing room too. So this is the LS Discovery platform. So this is the search button. So if you need not require your particular need, particular target, you have to select the all button. But if you particular need particular one article, you have to select this segment or parameter journal article. If you need the ebook, you have to select the ebook. If you need the library collection, basically the print book collection, this is the one kind of workup. You need not separately search the OPAC. And if you need the digital repository, I have already mentioned the digital library, all the digital repository of the publication, syllabus, question and the newsletter, annual report, everything is you have to select the particular one segment. But if we click the all and select the Tagore, and all kind of search option is appear to your hand. So it depends on the according to your choice. So I will show you later the. So if we search option, if we go to the one search, e-library, where is the e-library? Ramprasad?
You just go to LS Discovery, left
Okay,
click,
okay. Then
right hand panel, top right hand panel, outside that box, come more right, near to last panel of the screen.
কৌশিক
হ্যাঁ,
তুমি ওই সার্চে গেছো, তুমি এলএস ডিসকভারি ইতে যাও, হ্যাঁ ওইটা ক্লিক করো,
হ্যাঁ,
প্ল্যাটফর্মটা ক্লিক করো।
হ্যাঁ, আমি ওই ই-লাইব্রেরিটা দেখাতে চাইছি।
হ্যাঁ ওখানে ক্লিক করো, ওই তুমি হ্যাঁ এবার উপরে যাও, একদম উপরে, হ্যাঁ ওইটাতে ক্লিক করো,
এখানে
সার্চে না, হ্যাঁ উপরে এলএস ডিসকভারি লেফট, হ্যাঁ ক্লিক।
না, ই-লাইব্রেরিটা শো ও এখানে ঢাকা পড়ে আছে বোধহয়। ওকে ওকে, ওই তো ঢাকা পড়ে গেছে, ঠিক ঠিক ঠিক, সরি, হ্যাঁ ঠিক ঠিক, ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ রামপ্রসাদ, এটা কভার হয়ে গেছিল। ওকে, so e-library, you can click the e-library, all the online databases is available here, and all the ESS product is also available here. So if I click, so I will show you later just for 5 minutes on the ESS platform, later after quitting from the LS Discovery. So but all the ESS product, purchase e-journal, purchase subscribe online databases from the ESS platform is all available from. This is the one kind of remote access. So I will show you IndiaStat. So earlier we can use this particular platform from our MHRD Wi-Fi. So if we use it, LS Discovery from my home, so IP is separate, my home IP, your home IP is separate from the MHRD. So this is the remote access. If we click all the online product, so I will show you another important, which is already missing earlier. The EPW RF annually renew every year, and those who are basically from the I will show you the EPW RF, basically the economics, basically the agriculture and education, very important. And last couple of months before, we have organized one. So this is the logging facilities. If we click the logging, automatically the Vishwabharati user ID and password by default, it will be appear, and please click the logging. Okay, welcome Vishwabharati. So I am rightly entered the EPW RF series, and these are the segments. Subscribe module, we have to subscribe module of near about 20 module, that is national account statistics of the India, price indices, agriculture wages, and in such a way. So very important for those who are belong from the economics, agriculture, education. So this is also LS Discovery remote access part, all the, and these are the publisher wise e-journals available from the ESS platform is available also here. American Association of Physics, American Chemical Society, American Institute of Physics, annual reviews, JSTOR, MathSciNet, Oxford University Press. If we click the Oxford University Press, the journal subscribed from the ESS is available here and downloadable. So these are the very unique feature in a single searching facilities. These are the and also the Vishwabharati. So they identify our IP address. When they are not, it is not possible to showing the Vishwabharati and from other than the LS Discovery or other than the another IP address. So these are the journals available from the LS Discovery. So I am going to another important platform of ESS for 5 minutes, then a question session. So if we go to the InflateNet, it is very clear to you that few of the faculty members told us how many articles from in which publisher is available. All the details from the article, how many journal title is available from the publisher. It is very important. This is the homepage of the InflateNet. As you know, this is the system concern of the UGC as well as the MHRD. So these are the major activities and eShod Sindhu. All kind of online product like Shodhganga, Shodhgangotri, India, and Shol, Vidyan, Irins, all maintained by the InflateNet. I will show you for 5 minutes. eShod Sindhu, this is the new platform of the product of online e-journal and online databases. There are different categories of the membership. There are the technical college, universities. We are belong to the universities category. We are belong to the Central University. There are 41 Central Universities under their umbrella. So Aligarh Muslim University stand first due to the alphabetically A, and Vishwabharati stand bottom due to the alphabet, not any other way, other reason. So this is Vishwabharati. So if you go to the Vishwabharati and click the view e-resources, this is the clear-cut picture of the e-resources which is available from the ESS platform. These are the resources from the publisher wise, and if you can click the view journal, more details, all are available here. So I'll just utter the name: American Chemical Society, American Institute of Physics, American Physical Society, we have already incorporated in our LS Discovery platform. So no need to go separately, but from your information, just I will showing the direct platform of the ESS. It is also accessible from your MHRD platform. If we using your MHRD IP, it is also accessible. So JGET Plus, Annual Review, Economic and Politically Weekly, Institute for Studies in Industrial Development and Databases, JGET Plus, JSTOR, MathSciNet, Oxford University Press, and Springer, Taylor Francis Springer. So this is another information. Few of the faculty members told that I have already extract one article from the Taylor Francis, but it is not downloadable. They told us the money. How? So this is for your kind information. This is the tailor-made packet. This is the tailor-made packet because Taylor and Francis and the Springer is a huge collection, but they are providing us the tailor-made. Like Springer, they are providing 1,700 title. Not all, because their basket is very big. And Taylor and Francis, they are big. If we click the Taylor and Francis, here we can show okay. So if we can click the view journal or more information, so this is the right information that at present they are providing us this particular 1,000 journal, but their basket is very big. So the journal which is subscribed from the ESS particular platform is downloadable or accessible. Otherwise, the journal which is which is published from the Taylor and Francis, which is not incorporated in our list, the view journal list. If you can click the journal list, the available journal list is available here. So you have to familiar with the system, and if any query, and apart from this, the journal which is not available or subscribed by us, first you try to download, then it is not possible, then send us the bibliographics to details to us along with the DOI. We are arrange it from the different platform or directly publisher home. So this is my deliberation. So if any question from their point of view, and may I request the Nimaida, if you say something regarding the research ethics, etc.
Let's take at first question.
Okay, first question. So this is the question question answer time.
Hello. Hello, Kaushik Da.
Yes, yes.
Taraprasad Chattopadhyay bolchi.
Welcome, sir.
Are IEEE e-journals available in any form from Central Library of Vishwabharati? IEEE e-journals or print journals? IEEE USA. IEEE USA. Transactions or journals from IEEE USA.
Oh, actually, IEEE, the publisher is?
IEEE, that is Institution of Electrical and Electronic Engineers.
No.
IEEE Elsevier. Elsevier journal is not purchased.
Actually, actually, I have already mentioned before, basically more than 7,000 e-journals.
Elsevier is very much costly. US is not providing.
Yes, yes.
Sir, actually more than 7,000 e-journals we are providing from the ESS platform. And apart from this, from the annual budget, we are subscribed few, basically the renewal of the print journals along with the complementary e-journals, and few another package if fund permit according to the requisition by the faculty member. So this is the costly journal. So it is not possible but it time permit in near future, if fund will permit, if strongly recommendation from you and librarian Nimaida is available here. So at present it is not available.
Then my second point
Yes.
is regarding Urkund.
Yes.
Nimaida is very much helpful. I got much help from
this,
yes, I got much help from him in getting the PhD thesis of my student plagiarism checked by Nimaida. So I am thankful and also grateful to him.
Because actually he is the nodal officer, not only the nodal officer, he's the master of the not only the Urkund along with the research ethics, and he's the one of the important member of research ethics committee of the university.
Yes. Thank you.
If any question?
No, that is okay. Fine. Thank you.
Okay.
Kaushik,
Yes.
Sukumar.
Sukumar, please welcome.
আমি শুনলাম প্রথম থেকেই শুনছিলাম, and it's a very good progress of Central Library.
Yes.
And we had earlier 2-3 years back, we had seen the system of the repository, and definitely that is also continuing.
Yes.
And we used to get it the resources, and through institutional that Bhavana, we used to get our also see our own publication. And what is the update if there is any person? Earlier it was Ajoy. I used to send him the material. We used to upload. Now, is there any other changes that new? Because last 2-3 years I did not send it for the repository.
So,
And my second query is that.
Sir, regarding the Sukumar, regarding the repository, I have already demonstrated the digital.
You send your publication to the librarian.
Actually, last couple of few months ago, before the lockdown, this is the second time lockdown, we have circulated on a notice regarding the publication question and faculty publication question and syllabus also. So that's why most of the faculty members send their publication. So please send the publication, Sukumar. We arrange to upload in our digital library.
Okay, I will send it.
Okay.
And second is with regard to plagiarism, definitely we are just checking it, but when it comes to the question to the research scholar, that time we generally ask either to contact you or Nimaida. So this time also one or two of my scholar who would be submitting would contact you or Nimaida, because they need one report, and as guide, I do not like to put my own this thing as certifying this thing as the plagiarism report. Actually, we generally give the certificate at the beginning itself, but that repository, that plagiarism report, it generally, last time 3 of my scholar also got it from Nimaida. So it was very helpful. And whether the supervisor, they themselves can also
Yes.
give the certificate.
Yes, Sukumar, actually Nimaida told you later, but this is my observation that I am little bit different from your opinion, that no need to generate the report from the library point of sight, because those who are having the analysis account and entitled to submit, whether they are supervisor. So there is no such kind of compulsion that library administration or library professional just generate the report. Nimaida?
One thing is that, yeah, one more thing is that, Sukumar da, basically plagiarism report or analysis report is self-certificate generated by the Urkund on our original by their own homepage. So there is no certificate from my side or your side or Kaushik's side or any individual. It is completely free from individual. Anyone can upload the thesis to the our original or Urkund, and the report will be come to same. But as far as the UGC guideline is concerned, and very soon our university plagiarism policy will come into being. The committee meeting is over, and the policy will be after having pursuance from the academic council and EC, that will be a notification. So there it is clearly mandated that library people is only supposed to make train and this awareness program like that. But being the subject expert, guide is the final and last who is checking this thesis, because once the percentage is disqualified beyond 10% or 20% like that, then you and your guide need to give me undertaking that either these are the site which is properly cited and referred, or these are the site which is proper, which is our research related publications. So this is kindly be ignored, and you just please regenerate the report. Then, being not the subject expert, it's very tedious to me to do it blindly. So once it is uploaded by the subject expert or scholar, so it will be their intra matter. They may drop the URLs which they have been properly cited and referred, which is the research related publications like that. Then the final report, they may come by one click. But here it is 2 report will come, and that 19% and that 12% is in my account still forever. So to avoid this kind of things, it's better to done by the faculty members. But since the awareness or whatever it is, I'm saying, we are doing for the cooperation of the acceleration of research work or cooperation of individual or faculty member relations like that. So we will do it, but the basic connotation is that concerned department, concerned guide, concerned HOD or concerned scholar, they are the particular who will need to do it by their own. Okay.
একটা জায়গায় নিমাইদা জেনারেলি স্কলারদের হালকা প্রবলেম হচ্ছে, সেটা হচ্ছে their proposal is already uploaded. Now at the end of their thesis, when they are just coming to submit their thesis and we are checking it, the plagiarism area, it is coming in relation to the methodology which is already, it is there in their proposal which are already uploaded.
না, এটা নিয়ে কোনো অসুবিধা নেই। আমাদের ইয়েতে যে ইউজিসির যে গাইডলাইন, সেখানে ক্লিয়ারলি যেটা হচ্ছে সোদগঙ্গতিতে আপলোড করা আছে বা রিসার্চ রিলেটেড পাবলিকেশন হোক, সেটা নিয়ে আমাদের কোনো অসুবিধা নেই। আমাদের জায়গাটা দেখতে হবে যে ওই যে সোদগঙ্গতি যে ইউআরএল থেকে ওটা পাচ্ছে সেটা লিখে দেবে ওখানে, এটা সাইট অ্যান্ড রেফার করবে। ইটস গুড থিং দ্যাট আমি আমার রিসার্চ প্রপোজালের সাথে আমার ফাইনাল থিসিসের একটা কানেক্টিভিটি বা রিলেটিভিটি আছে, হুইচ মাস্ট অ্যাপ্রিসিয়েটেড। সো এটা তো থাকবেই, কিন্তু দেখতে হবে যে ওই যে লিঙ্কটা যখন আমাকে কোন ধরে দিচ্ছে তখন সেই লিঙ্কটা আমি রেফারেন্সে দেবো এবং ওইটাকে আমি সাইট করে দেবো, এবং ওটা তো যে কেউ খুললে দেখতে ওটা আমার এই জিনিস আমিই করেছি। কিন্তু একটা মানুষ তার জিনিসকে রিপিটেডলি উইদাউট সাইটেশন রিইউজ করতে পারে না। আপনার একটা পাবলিকেশন, 5টা পাবলিকেশন, আপনি কোনো একটা থিসিসে কোনো একটা পরবর্তী পাবলিকেশন আপনি ব্যবহার করবেনই, করাই উচিত, কারণ আপনি বিলংস টু সেম পার্টিকুলার ফিল্ড। এবারে করতে গেলে কি হবে, সুকুমার পালকেই তার সাইটেশন দিতে হবে, কারণ দ্যাট ইজ কল্ড সেলফ সাইটেশন। সেটা না করলে কি হচ্ছে, ধরুন আপনি আগের 5টা পেপার থেকে এবার একটা পেপার ছিঁড়ে কেটে তৈরি করে দিলেন, দ্যাট পেপার cannot be a count as final paper or one new paper, 6th paper like that. কিন্তু আমাকে দেখতে হবে যে আমি আগের যে 550 পাতা একটা পেপার ছিল সেখান থেকে আমি 3-4 পাতা নিয়েছি, নিয়ে আমি নতুন একটা পেপার বা তৈরি করেছি যেখানে আরো 6-7 পাতা আমি নিজে অ্যাড করেছি। দ্যাট ইজ দ্য বেসিক লিটারেচার রিভিউ অর সাম কানেক্টিভিটি উইথ মাই স্পেশালাইজেশন অর ফিল্ড লাইক দ্যাট। সো এটা নিয়ে কোনো অসুবিধা নেই, এগুলো সেটাই বলছি যে এইগুলো কিন্তু আপনারা নিজেরাই পারবেন যে ওই চেক বক্সে গিয়ে ড্রপ করে দিতে আর কি। এবার ওগুলো আমার কাছে এলে আমাকে আবার আন্ডারটেকিং দিতে হবে, আন্ডারটেকিং দেওয়ার পরে আবার ওটা করার পরে তখন থেকে আবার রেফারেন্স লিস্টটা আপডেট করতে হয়, কিন্তু এটা ওয়ান টাইম ওখানে বসেই করে নেওয়া যায়, আপনাদের ওখানে বসে করা যায়। কিন্তু যদি কোনো অসুবিধা থাকে উই আর হিয়ার টু হেল্প, নো ইস্যু। ঠিক আছে,
মানে ইউআরএলটা দিলে পরে ওখানে ব্যাপারটা অলরেডি
হ্যাঁ, দ্যাট ইজ দ্য বেসিক গ্রামার।
We need another session of Urkun Nimaita. They have already submitted the requisition through their chat box. Any more question?
Sir, hello, Dada.
Yes. Shubhodip.
Dada, yes, Dada, we are very fortunate to have such an excellent session like this, and I convey my heartfelt thanks to you, Nimaida and respected Ram Prasad da, for this sessions, 3-day sessions. But I have a few questions, like we do research in music. Yes, so very little data are available, or very less journals are also available. So, and another thing is, so there is a typical problem we came across while doing the plagiarism check or something. So we need to clarify a few things that is not possible due to time today. So after coming to Shantiniketan, I would like to meet you in person and ask my clarification. But my question is, so can you conduct a special session for the scholars, those who are doing research on music, because we are not tech-savvy people. Means 1 out of 100 maybe, but majority.
Shubhodip, okay. I have several times tried, but I am very unfortunate and very sorry to stop you. Only 2-3 Sangeet Bhavana scholar I am getting in the library. You ask your principal, you ask your HOD to continue. I am ready. Even after 2 p.m. I am ready today. Go ahead.
Yes,
I am
sir.
very sorry.
And,
We are not getting any candidate from Sangeet Bhavana. Today you just see the list of 90 candidates. You are perhaps you may be 1-2 like that. So you can go back to your HOD, go back to your principal and ask me any day, any time. Even 9 p.m. I will be for you to conduct the session. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Shubhodip,
I may be the only one.
Shubhodip,
Thank you.
actually in general throughout the year, we are organize such kind of special session to our all client community, basically faculty scholar. But we are distributed more than near about 5,000 email along with our WhatsApp group. But the target participants is just near about 100. Okay.
It will
Okay, we will
improve,
do it.
Dada, because
Don't
they
worry.
are not aware.
Yeah. Shubhodip, we will do it. No, don't worry. And one more substitute answer for this. We have our YouTube channel. You just
Yes.
go to YouTube and search there Vishwabhati Library Network. Then this all this lecture is available and uploaded there. Just view that. I think 90% of your research need will be answered from that video channel. And if you require any further query, our mail, WhatsApp is welcome. Don't wait for new normal situation when you may visit physically. Okay, don't worry. We are here to extend our big hands of cooperation for the escalation of the research work. So go ahead, don't worry. Then
Thank you, Dada.
Nimaita, hopefully question is over.
তুমি just আরেকবার যাও।
So
আমাদের লাইব্রেরি হোম পেজটা তুমি আরেকবার খোলো।
তাহলে আমি স্ক্রিনটাকে আরেকবার শেয়ার করতে হবে আমি
হ্যাঁ 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 দিয়ে তুমি ওখানে একটু
I have a question. Nimaida, I have a question.
please come. কৌশিক তুমি in time screen share করো.
Okay.
Please come up with the question.
Thank you, Kaushik and Nimaida. A big
Yeah.
thumbs up to your presentation that you have done excellently today. And my question is that can we access district-wise data in indiastat.com? Thank you,
Yeah,
sir.
why not? Yeah, why not? It is there.
Sir, I have tried many times, but whenever I access the district level data in indiastat.com, they want the subscription, but the state-wise data they are giving. I have tried it from my home as well as from the MHRD network from the
Yeah,
department.
you just drop a mail to Kaushik, he will check and he will contact with ISID authority, then he will give you concrete answer. Okay.
So I have had another information to you. So actually India State is not a full package
Yes.
because throughout the district wise package it is separate because district wise package throughout the India. So we have
Lots of
purchased it
money.
separately.
Yeah.
But my suggestion is that please send your query and you may search not only India State EPWRF and EPW2 also.
Yes. Then Kaushik, come to about our team.
Okay, about
Our team. Yes, open it. Then just click in the top of this, go top. Yes, this right hand panel, there is a staff directory. 3 people are standing. Yeah, click here. See my dear and respected faculty members and dear participants, those who are here. This is the new drive of Vishwaruti Library Network. Here you will get the name of the library professionals, staff of Vishwaruti Library, then designation and posting, where he is posting, then email, then mobile number. But the unique thing is that perhaps this will be the first in Indian university, the blood group I have noted here. So we may require blood groups and blood sometimes for our relatives, for our family members. So how can I come to know that Kaushik has B positive and I do require B positive? So why shall I beg to other people? If I contact with Kaushik, then I can have solution for that. So this is the thing. Before coming on the NAC, we are just adding these things. I think every department and our university teachers profile, when it will be there, I think this blood report will be mandatorily there, which is add a social value to the university website, and which will ensure that the extension or community role, which was the basic dream and legacy of Gurudev Tagore, the societal role of the university people. So nowadays, since we are in the pandemic situation, no one is physically able to meet with us. But everywhere blood crisis is there. Blood donation camp may not be physically possible to execute or done. So in that case, we are just planning to note down our just 14th May, there was an online meeting with my library colleagues and we have reached this decision. And soon after reaching the decision, it was 14th June, and today is 18th. So by these 3-4 days, we have created this database, and gradually all this blood group will be come over here. So this is my fervent appeal to all of you, those who have departmental group, those who are other group, even Telegram group or WhatsApp group, please be share the blood group. Who knows that this step may give one life to a particular patient who is near to death. So this is my value added information, that we are every time thinking a new thing, not only for academic and research activities, but for outreach activities, but for social activities, social welfare activities like that. So this is my short and humble submission. So we have starting the session by having 87 candidates. Now it is 42. So it is near about 45%, and for 55% already gone away. So before coming to wrap up the session, let me extend the formal word of thanks to all the senior faculty members and junior faculty members, those who are here around 2 hours, to extend their silent cooperation to conduct the session smoothly for the betterment of the research activities. We are not looking any individual, and I am not very fond to look after the quantity number. It may be 87, it may be 90, but I don't want to bother this 80, 90, and 42, because I am confident enough that this 90 candidate will share this view in ephemeral rate. One scholar, he or she may share this kind of learning or listening or information, whatever he or she is gathering here, he can or she can share with his or her friends. So by this way, we are dreaming that our project, that our steps, that our initiatives will be flourished before the academic community, not only Vishwabharati, but also outside Vishwabharati. And today in the morning, I have a phone call from an university library in charge from Jharkhand. I don't know if that madam is here or not, Sumita Ghosh madam, I don't know whether she is here or not. She is
Yes,
very
sir. I'm here, sir.
yeah, this is, you see, I'm not saying any false statement here. This Sumita madam is here. Today in the morning, I have 40 to 50 minutes discussion with her for NAC preparation on her newly built up university. And she's very keen. Just 10 minutes before I shared the link, and without thinking twice, in spite of her busy schedule, family schedule, or office schedule, she's kind enough to join here. So you see, this is the thing, what I just going to say, that the local people, they are not accept the available resources of Vishwabharati Library Network, but the outsider, they are very fond, they are very keen to listen us, to learn from the Vishwabharati Library Network how to prepare. So that's the thing. So don't think that this is the only Vishwabharati basket. This is rather an Indian basket, international basket too. So I am just fervently appeal to you. Rightly, Subhadeep raised a questions, but every time my quantity is not good enough. Still, we are not stopped. No one can stop us. No one can stop Vishwabharati Library Network. By the end of this month or last week of this month, I will come back with you all with Urkun special session, then Grammarly special session, and every time LS Discovery will be now our common session, so that the people will use more and more library by sitting in their house or remote location. One candidate, I don't know his or her name, that is read me something. If he or she can spell out her name, then I can point it out. Her question is very specific and pertinent to me, that she has got admission, maybe UG, PG, or PhD, but due to this pandemic or this outbreak, she is not able to collect, or he is not able to collect library card from the Vishwabharati library. And for the first year students, scholars, and PG first year, we have already issued around 500 library cards. But the problem is, those who are outside, those who are little distant from the Vishwabharati, they are not able to physically come here. But I am already thinking, and today or tomorrow or very soon, I am sit with my all in charge of Vishwabharati Library Network and try to reach out one firm decision that the students or scholars, those who will fill up our online membership form and submit scanned copy of their Vishwabharati identity card, student's identity card, then enrollment card from the Bhavano as they receive, maybe scan copy, I do not require hard copy, and their photo identity residential proof, maybe Aadhaar card, maybe voter ID card, maybe driving license, maybe bank passbook first page having photograph, all that documents, these 3 documents, if they scan and send to us mail, and they need to fill up the number, we will temporary library card number allowed, and by that card number, they are able to use our library facility and access by sitting in their home. But brother and sister, if I am not doing and not maintaining these things, this LS Discovery, if I am opening to you, then this will be open to Calcutta University students, this will be open to rest of the country people, this will be open to rest of the citizens of globe. So by license agreement, I am not in a position to contradict with the publishers, because one book purchased by Vishwabharati Library, be it electronic or be it print format, that cannot be given full access to everyone. As rightly Kaushik noted that we have uploaded faculty publications in our digital library, but those who are logging through GEST, they will be able to only have the bibliographic information. Once they're going to download the full text, the password threatened will be there, because our faculty members, respected sir and ma'ams, they have their publication maybe in Springer Nature, they have their publication in Sage or any paid journal. Paid journal means, here I'm not talking about predatory journal. I am talking about a quality journal which is corporate or which is not available beyond subscription, not open and free access. So that particular journal, if I make it open, then I will be held responsible as far as digital rights management issue is concerned, and earlier which is called copyright concern. So please admit these things, And if you require any article or any ebook, you just drop a mail to us. We will send you that article or books if available to us, or you can contact your subject teacher, faculty members who is taking class. You just request him or her that, ma'am, I require this book which is available in the Vishwabharati in ebook format. Can you please download and send it to me, that particular chapter or that these things. So friends, we have to find out the solution. If we nurture and if we live with the problems, then we cannot sustain, because every 24 hours we are confined with the pandemic. And if we again having this problem of this library accessibility and this problem, so your mind and your psychology will be more and more problematic. So forget about this. The library is always with you. Don't worry about that. In any service, it's just a single mail, just a single WhatsApp to your faculty members and to us. We will try our level best to feed you, to supply you. But that time we require your studentship and the admit challan. Whether you are the students of Vishwabharati, then only I will be recognize you. Otherwise, it will be very difficult to me to go ahead. So with these few words, let me finally request you to fill up the feedback link. The very first day, one of the respected faculty members, Dr. Mohua Banerjee Madam, she rightly informed me that, Nimaida, do you have any feedback link? So from yesterday, based on her suggestion, it is because of his credibility, we are designing the feedback form yesterday and today. So Ramprasad Da posted it in the chat box. Please click there, open it and fill up it. Your suggestion is having immense value to me to work further. This is one notification for you. So please go to chat box and fill it up. And before to wind up, if I am not extend, though he is my teammates, though he is my officers, if I am not able to extend my heartfelt gratitude to today's speaker, Dr. Kaushik Ghosh, I will have something wrong. So Kaushik Da, I am being the leader of the Vishwabharati Library, please accept my deep regards and gratefulness for taking such a pain. During last 2 days, you are hosting the session, you are coordinating the session, and today you are one who is going to present the library, Vishwabharati Library Network's resource, service, and facilities very, very simple and emphatically manner within the very, very short time. So thank you, Kaushik Da. And yeah, and I am also regardful and grateful to my another pillars of Vishwabharati Library Network, that is none other than Ramprasad Da. Without the Ramprasad Da, we cannot build up with this LS Discovery, this digital library, and many more things. Of course, we all are the members of the team, but someone has to take the lead. Though I am the officially leader, but technical leader is Ramda. So Ramda, thank you. Please accept my deep regards and thanks for your pioneering lead to excel the volume and level of Vishwabharati Library in Indian continent and also foreign level. Yes, it's my very proud that nowadays Vishwabharati Library is able to fight any other world-class or national level university library. And my teammates, Vishwabharati Library Network, I found many members today joined. That is Sukumar Da. Sukumar Da means here I'm not talking about our faculty member Sukumar Palda, but I'm talking about Sukumar Das, then Manasi Satra, then Madam Orpita Chatterjee, then Podi Femram, then Madam Sabahat Nausin, and many more. They have joined here. Yeah, Tosun also, and Coach Sitimoy, most likely Sitimoy also, and some or other work in the library. They are there to work in the Devabruta Hajarida also joined today. So this, and finally, the participants of our academic galaxy, respected faculty members, my dear scholars and students, please, I'm really thankful to all of you for your silent presentation, silent presence, silent attendance to help us to conduct this session, a marathon session kind of thing, 2 hours almost. So please be with the Vishwabharati Library in future. Please be with the Vishwabharati in general in future. And as you know, NAC peer team visit is doorstep, is ahead. Very soon they will come. And please, please, and please, if you have any doubt, if you have any query beforehand, without thinking twice, have a WhatsApp message to me or mail to me or to my teammates to clear it up. Please do not throw any stone before the NAC peer team that library is damaging for this reason, for this reason, for this reason. This is a family game. Please come and discuss and let us resolve and let us find out the solution and ways. Yes, problem will be there, but we have to find out jointly. This is not my own responsibility or single responsibility to build up the Vishwati library. We have lots of problems, staff problem, fund problem, infrastructure problem. Still, within the limitation, within the limited capacity, since today is the third and final session, I'm taking little bit more time, 10 to 12 minutes, to share with you my views. So with these few words, let me invite you to take your own lunch in your own residence, not to me. This is a kind of virtual meet. Professor Geetadi is here and many more. And with your kind permission, before to wind up, can I request Madam Sumita Ghosh, Assistant Librarian and in charge of the university from Ranchi. Madam, can you have a kind of sentence? What is your feelings on this presentation? This is for you only, because your sentence will help us to go ahead, encouraged. Okay, so please, Sumita Madam.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon to all. It was a very informative program, and I have learned lots of more. I have got lots of more and learned many things from this program. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. With then finally, Ram Prasad, do you have anything left to say?
Yes, thank you, Nimai. Thank you, Dr. Kaushik. Thank you, all of you. And
then we can leave the meeting, and
yes,
the video of the session will be uploaded in the YouTube channel.
yes.
Thank you. Thank you. Stay safe and stay secure to be healthy. Thank you very much. So leave the meeting.